Hello, my name is Edward. I'm from Microtech Technology Company Limited. I'm from Shenzhen, China. I want to introduce you one of our latest product is a 0.39 LCD display. This display can use for gun sight and VR display. So this very small, high resolution, high brightness, you can use for the gun sight and VR image. This very powerful LCD display. It can connect to your Type-C and to make your product very small. And you can use it in VR and gun sight and other near eye application. So if you are interested in this product, you can contact me. Our company website is www.microtechlcd.com. So you contact us, we can provide you more technical data sheet and provide you the solution to help you make your idea to reality. So we're looking forward to meet you. Our company website is www.microtech-lcd.com. Bye bye.